Good morning. We're back in the mechanical lab at GSI, and we'd like to run Graves tear, or ASTM D as in David 1004. The specimen is a 90-degree tear. It's made with a die. This is the die with an ejector on it. It cuts out this die. A lot of people call it the mustache. So this is the 90-degree tear. The critical dimension of it is this distance, which is 0.5 inches, or half an inch, or 12.5 millimeters. It goes into the continuous rate of extension machine. The grips are 25 millimeters apart, or 1 inch apart. It has to be centered, so what you're doing is grabbing in the front and then centering the sample, so the notch is in the center of the sample, and it's run at 2 inches per minute, or 50 millimeters per minute. You would like to see a propagation of the tear across the specimen here as it's being pulled, and you see that now. It's tearing across the specimen, and what you're doing is reading a maximum load. The load is in pounds or newtons. You have to run 10 in the machine and 10 in the cross machine direction, and for a total of 20 samples. This specimen is 4 inches, or 100 millimeters across. Here you see the propagation of the failure, and then finally failure of the material. It had a maximum of 53 pounds, and the failure of the specimen looks like this. Okay, this is Graves tear, or 90-degree tear, and this is a requirement, or the tear requirement, for GM13.